Hello everyone, today is Tuesday, which means Taco Tuesday. So I'm gonna make a burrito and taco today. I personally prefer burrito than taco, but apparently most people like tacos. These are what I'm gonna use. I bought a tri-tip steak and 3 eggs, some cheese, and I prepared two different paprikas, but I'm using quarter of each and quarter of onion and obviously tortilla. I'm using flour tortilla. All right, let's get started. All right, first things first, I'm gonna dice the vegetables. And cut the steak into decent chunk size. I'm gonna season the steak a little bit with garlic salt, just tiny bit of salt, some black peppers, I like spicy taste, so I'm gonna use just a little bit of a Daniel's spicy seasoning. Oops. And mix them well. Usually I'm using cooking oil to scramble the egg and other stir frying the vegetables, but this time I am cooking steak with it, so I'm using the butter instead. Alright, we need to scramble the egg first. And put onions and paprikas. It's my little secret recipe. Add tiny bit of soy sauce and some oyster sauce too. That's good enough. Make sure do not put too much, just a tiny bit of soy sauce and oyster sauce. I know this is not a traditional Mexican style taco and burritos, but I like this way. Trust me, try this way and I guarantee you will love it. When the vegetables are done, it's time to add steak. Normally I like medium rare when I'm having steak, but for taco and burrito, I like medium well or not well done, but you know, like I like fully cooked. Okay, this is done. When it's done, put it on medium or medium low, and I'm gonna add cheese. When the cheese is melted, it's done. Put some butter on, and now we are gonna heat up the tortilla. Put on the low heat. Add more cheese. That's good enough. And add steak. And the second one, I'm just gonna heat up the tortilla by itself and then make a burrito. Ta-da! Alright, this is done. So this one, I made it as a taco, but it turns out more likely a quesadilla style. And this one is a burrito without heating up the tortilla. And this one is burrito with tortilla heated up with butter. So whichever you prefer to have it. I normally don't cut the burrito in half, but I just cut it to show you guys what it looks like inside. Ooh, look at the steak. And how's the taste? Yeah. When you're biting the tortilla, you can taste the butter and it's so flavorful. Yeah, the vegetables give you really nice texture. Steak is really like tender and chewy at the same time. It's so great. Oh man, this is perfect burrito. And secondly, it's the same burrito, but just the regular tortilla without heating up. And this is taco, but more likely quesadilla. Oh, look at the inside. Looks so buttery and juicy. This is way better quesadilla than you eat from the restaurant. Trust me, try this at home. I guarantee, definitely you will love it. Well, what do you think about my Taco Tuesday? Let me know if you guys like it, and if you guys like my video and recipe, please subscribe my channel and like the video. It's gonna help me a lot. Thank you guys. See you guys next time. Bye.